Mercy or genocide, or genocide, or genocide, or genocide, or genocide. A stranger in their home, will you honor their spirits or become the judge, the jury, and the executioner all in one? Mercy or genocide, violence or love, which do you decide? Mercy or genocide, a fate's ready to be sealed. You've taken the fall, decisions take tolls, waiting hearts that need your help are trapped underground, the monsters abound, but will you spare their souls or drag them with you in hell? Mercy or genocide, mercy or genocide. The climb is long and to the top, determination guides you.